This is John, and this is his friend, Sarah. John is the plant manager at Factory A, while Sarah manages Factory B. John struggles to understand complex data logs of the air compressor and is always frustrated. This may lead to potential errors in planning the maintenance schedule. In the hustle and bustle of managing the plant, John misses a crucial service schedule, leading to a sudden breakdown. This unexpected downtime stops all work and disrupts productivity. Let's now move to Factory B, equipped with an Industry 4.0 ready air compressor monitoring system. Here, Sarah oversees plant operations using the IoT-powered Air Alert system. Sarah enjoys improved uptime with ELGi's Air Alert feature, which provides remote monitoring, improved uptime, predictive maintenance, and service alerts. The Air Alert system also enables Sarah with actionable insights to optimize the efficiency of the system. Sarah can remotely monitor her compressor online anytime from anywhere in the world with Air Alert. Be like Sarah and enjoy 24/7 remote monitoring, improved energy efficiency, and uptime for your operations.